If I ask you a simple question, why do you earn money? Most of you would say, for a better life, for your family, for your dreams. But here's the reality. Most people earn money, yet they still struggle financially. Why? Because they don't know how to manage it. Earning money is a skill, but managing money is a bigger skill. So today, let's talk about a simple but powerful money management system that can actually change your life. First, understand this clearly. It's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep. You can earn a small income or a big income, but without proper management, money will always feel less. Now imagine this. You receive some money. What do you usually do? Most people spend first and then save whatever is left. But financially smart people do the opposite. They follow one powerful rule. Pay yourself first. That means the moment you receive money, you save a portion of it first and then spend the rest. Now let's make this practical and easy. Divide your money into 3 parts. 50% for your needs, like food, rent, bills, and basic living expenses. 30% for your wants, like entertainment, shopping, travel, or lifestyle choices. And 20% for savings and investments. You might be thinking, Biding, I don't earn enough to save. But the truth is, if you can't save money when you earn less, you won't save even when you earn more. Because saving is a habit, not an amount. Now let's talk about something very important, your emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. You might face a medical issue, lose a job, or deal with unexpected expenses. That's why you should always have at least 3 to 6 months of your living expenses saved. For example, if you spend $10,000 per month, you should have at least $30,000 to $60,000 saved as an emergency fund. Next, understand the difference between bad debt and good debt. Bad debt is anything that takes money out of your pocket, like unnecessary loans, credit card debt, or buying expensive things just to impress others. Good debt, on the other hand, helps you grow, like investing in education, skills, or a business. Always remember this line. If you buy things to impress people, you will end up struggling financially. Now let's move to investing. Saving money is not enough. If your money just sits in a bank account, inflation slowly reduces its value. So you need to invest your money so that your money starts working for you. You don't need to start big. You can begin small through simple investments like SIPs, stocks, or other safe options. The most important thing is to start. And always follow one golden rule. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your investments. Now let's talk about mindset. A poor mindset says, I don't have money. A rich mindset asks, how can I create money? That one shift in thinking can change everything. If you keep improving little by little every month, your financial condition can completely change within a year. And here's one of the most powerful habits. Track your money. If you don't know where your money is going, you will never be able to control it. Write down every expense, no matter how small. Finally, remember this. Money is a tool, not the goal. Money gives you freedom, choices,